Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to do sample paper of class 7 social science. This is for the revision for final examination. Which tribe was influential in Punjab on 13th and 14th centuries? It's Khokar. The Sufi master held their assemblies in their khanqahas. Sufi master को पीर और शेख भी कहा जाता है. It can be asked in one mark question. 14th century text of Sanskrit which deals with grammar and poetry was called Leela Tilakam. It is composed of Sanskrit and Malayalam. The ruler of Iran who sacked and plundered the city of Delhi in 1739 was Nadir Shah, whose autobiography is Jutan Om Prakash Valmiki. Which one of the following is a print media? Is a newspaper. Why is weekly market called so? Because it is held on a specific day of the week. The story of shirt thus begins with the production of cotton. Shopkeepers in a weekly market are small traders. Sahara is located in the part of Africa, Northern Africa. ये आपको मैप में भी लोकेट करने के लिए पूछा जा सकता है सहारा डेजर्ट इन वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ exchanges took place between nomadic pastoralists and settled agriculturists. Nomadic pastoralists exchange livestock, wool, hides and milk, and they share their animals for transportation also, while the settled agriculturists exchange their clothes, grains. An interaction between the two leads to adoption of a new culture. Who were the major patrons of Kathak? Mughal emperors, their nobles, the court of Rajasthan and Lucknow, and the last Nawab of Awadh. They are the major patrons of Kathak. What were the Chauth and Sardesh Mukhi? These were the taxes collected by Maratha Empire during the medieval period. Chauth means a daily tax or tribute beginning in the 18th century, and Sardesh Mukhi means a tribute paid to the king. Chauth, it is on the sale or production at 25%, and extra of 10% on the top of the chauth. Difference between the hawker and a shop owner. Hawker does not owns a shop. Shopkeeper owns a shop or rent. He sells local things. Shopkeeper sells branded things. The things that the hawker sells are not of good quality. The things that the shopkeeper sells are of good quality. Why there is scanty vegetation in the desert? The temperature is either very hot and dry or either very cold and dry. The rainfall is very less. The soils is very infertile. That's why. What mainly attracts tourists to Ladakh? The natural beauty, glacier, meadows, snow capped mountains, adventurous opportunities like trekking, and unique culture, Buddhist monasteries, and festivals. They attract the tourist. Coming to short answer type questions, 3 marks. Don't forget to write 3 points. What were the major beliefs and practices of the Sufis? Sufi were the Muslim mystics. Their love and devotion. They emphasized love and devotion to God and for all people. Rejection of idol worship. They rejected idol worship and simplified the ritual. In democracy, why is universal adult franchisee important? It guarantees that everyone has a right to vote as regardless of their color, caste, or creed. It allows us all citizens to participate in governing the state. It provides political education to citizens. It helps the people to develop self-respect. This you can also write in Sufis. Meditation, they emphasize meditation. They did qawwalis. They believe in doing good deeds, repentance for sins, pilgrimage. Difference between print media and electronic media. You can choose 4 options: format, example, accessibility, and less people are involved. Like format is printing on paper, this format is created and distributed through electronic gadgets. Example, book, magazine, newspaper, here TV, radio, social media. Accessibility requires literacy, and here literacy is not required, and very less people are involved in print media while a lot of people are involved in electronic media. What made Swapna sell the cotton to the trader instead of selling at Kurnool cotton market? Loan. She borrowed money from the trader. Interest rate. The rate of interest was very high. Promise. She had promised to sell the cotton to the trader only. And repayment. She had to repay the debt with interest. Now it's a case based question. You can read it and find the answer from here only. Who was 13th century chronicler? It is Mene Siraj. Name the poet who used the word Hind to describe India. Amir Khusro. Who was considered the foreigner in the medieval period? In the medieval period, a foreigner was a stranger who appeared, say, in a given village, someone who was not in a part of that society or culture. One second stanza is there. You have to read and find the answer. It's very simple. Why was Ramabai given the title of Pandita? She was given the title of Pandita because she could read and write Sanskrit in a remarkable achievement, which is the first autobiography written by Indian women, that is Jeevan, Amar Jeevan. What were the stereotypes that women do not allowed to read and write? It was believed that the women learned to read and write, she would bring bad luck to the husband and become a widow. Here is the third question. It's about environment. Why environment is important? All the answers given in the text itself. Give reasons. The rainforests are depleting. You can say deforestation, cutting down the forest for completing our needs. Mining, the rainforests are rooted out to extract minerals. Climate change, when there is change in the pattern of weather. Fertile soil, paddy is grown in Ganga Brahmaputra plain. Here are the reasons. Fertile soil, the area is rich in alluvial soil. Water, it provides enough water for irrigation. Rainfall, the area receives high rainfall. And temperature is very suitable for paddy. So here is the last question, map question. A home state, Awadh, place where Jagannath temple is situated, and Ladakh, you have to show in the map of India. Ladakh, Awadh, Agra, area of God, area of Ahom, A-shaped, Kolkata. This is Puri. This all you have to learn for the final exam. Keep studying. Thank you.